In this problem, the driver of a car is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. He wishes to overtake a truck that is moving with a constant speed of 20 meters per second in the same lane. The car's maximum acceleration is half meter per second square. Initially, the vehicles are separated by 40 meters and the car returns back to its lane after it is 40 meters ahead of truck. The car is 3 meters long and truck is 17 meters long. So we have a truck of length 17 meters and a car of length 3 meters. Initially both were moving with same speed 20 meters per second, whereas car can have an acceleration of half meter per second square, whereas truck is moving with constant speed. Initially the car is 40 meters behind the truck and finally it goes 40 meters ahead of the truck. So the total distance traveled by car 40 meter, 17 meter, 40 meter and 3 meter, that is the relative displacement of the car with respect to truck is 40 plus 17 plus 40 plus 3, that is equal to 100 meter. Initial relative speed is 20 minus 20, that is equal to 0, and relative acceleration of the car is equal to half meter per second square. These are the known quantities. Now we need to find the minimum time required for the car to pass the truck and return back to its lane. What distance does the car travel during this time? And what is the final speed of the car at the end of the overtaking? So, to travel a distance of 100 meters by an acceleration of half meter per second square, we have h to be equal to half at square or t to be equal to under root 2s by a, that is equal to 2 into 100 by half or 20 seconds. So it takes 20 seconds to overtake the truck. Within this 20 seconds, distance traveled by car is equal to ut plus half at square, that is equal to 20 into 20 plus half into 20 square. So it is 400 plus 100 or 500 meter. This is the distance traveled by the car during this time, and speed of the car at the end v is equal to u plus at, that is 20 plus half into 20, that is equal to 30 meter per second. So speed of the car at the end of overtaking is 30 meter per second. Distance traveled by the car during this overtake is 500 meter, and the time taken to overtake is 20 seconds.